In this video, I'll show you how to add a calendar to Microsoft Teams so you can manage meetings, events, and schedules without leaving the app. This is especially useful if you're working with a team and want everyone to stay on the same page. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing into your account. From there, choose the team and channel where you want the calendar to appear. At the top of the channel, click the plus icon to add a new tab. From the list of available apps, select Channel Calendar if you want a shared calendar that everyone in the channel can access. If you prefer to display an existing calendar, you can choose the website option and paste in the link to your Outlook or Microsoft 365 calendar. Give your calendar a name, then click Save. The calendar will instantly appear as a new tab in the channel. Once it's added, you can start creating events, scheduling meetings, and tracking important dates directly inside Microsoft Teams. Adding a calendar to Teams helps keep your team organized, improves visibility, and reduces missed meetings by keeping everything in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.